Wait. Okay, I'm recording. What are you doing?
Boiling water.
Boiling water. Okay. And what are
When
you doing
it
over
comes
here?
to a boil, you drop the noodles in, cook them for 10 minutes, and then you
What, the
put
Velveeta?
yes, Velveeta.
Okay, what's this parsley on top of the London Broil?
No, Montreal steak seasoning.
Where's the Montreal steak seasoning?
The cabinet.
Where at?
The cabinet.
You're ruining my visuals. This one?
Yeah.
Alright, Montreal steak seasoning. And that's it? What are you doing?
That's it.
So 10-minute boil, and then what are you doing with this meat? How long has it been open?
What?
How long has this been out?
What do you mean, how long has it been out? I just seasoned it, and I'm going to go
Where'd you
start
buy this meat?
Shoprite.
Shoprite? The meat section?
Yes, the meat section.
How much was it?
I don't know. Dad bought it.
Okay. So you just leave it open for not any time?
What do you mean open?
Like, why is it just sitting there?
Because I'm going to go start the grill and heat the grill up. The
All right,
grill has to be hot before you can put the meat on it.
All right, let me come with the grill.
Here, turn it to here, push the button.
Okay. How long are you going to heat it up for? 8 minutes?
For 10 minutes.
Okay. And then how long is the meat going on for?
20 minutes. 10 minutes on each side.
And that's it?
Yes.
Nice.